Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Audrey and I work as a vendor at Ulta's and Sephora's. And one of the most asked questions that I get is how do I apply false lashes? And I get it, there is definitely a learning curve to applying falsies. I for one wear false strip lashes pretty much every single day of my life and I have never tried magnetic lashes before. I am also a girl who always has her nails done but has never tried on press-on nails. So today we're trying on and reviewing Glamnetic magnetic lashes and press-on nails, so let's get started. Glamnetic is a female-founded, cruelty-free magnetic lash brand that now has beautiful press-on nails. I am so stoked. Let's start with the lashes. Bella is a medium wispy lash that gives the cat eye effect with a flirty flare. Boss Babe is a medium, full and voluminous round lash that gives a sultry vibe. VIP is a fluffy, lightweight winged lash that gives a sense of glam. So I got the styles Bella, VIP, and Boss Babe, and I'm gonna start with what I think will be my favorite. I think it's gonna be Boss Babe because they are the fullest, but you never know. Magnetic eyeliner eliminates the need for any eyelash glue. As you can see, there are 6 magnets on Glamnetic lashes that adhere to the liner. Glamnetic has both liquid liner and felt tip liners. I got the liquid liner because that has always been my personal preference. These liquid liners come in black and brown, and the felt tip liners come in so many playful colors as well. So these included optional anchors help secure the inner and outer corner of your lashes by sandwiching your real lashes and the falsies. I use a lash applicator every single time I apply falsies to help with ease of application, especially when I have fake nails on, because I swear it's harder to apply falsies with fake nails on. They also really help to squish your real lashes and the falsies together so you don't have that little gap. I got the Glamnetic Lash Grab and I'm super impressed by it because I have never had one that has a comb on the end. So that's really cool, just to comb through your lashes or maybe even your brows at some point. But I also like that it's super cute. Obviously it's pink, but it has this really fine tipped applicator. Oh, I love it a lot. It's so cute. I really appreciate that this has such a fine applicator tip. Love that. Okay, it's been a really long time since I applied liner at all, so bear with me here. I'm not gonna do a wing because you guys are making me nervous. You guys, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I should have read the instructions first. It says, for optimal results, apply Glamnetic lashes onto liner once 80% dry. I'm gonna apply 1 coat of mascara just so that the lashes will blend a little bit better with the falsies. You guys. Okay. They're sticking up on the edges a tiny bit. Oh, there we go. Okay, just gotta wiggle it around a bit. And this is what I mean by squishing them together. So I'm having a little bit of trouble with the inner corner sticking, which is where the anchors come in. I think my eyes are a little too big for this lash style, but let's try the anchors and see how that goes. Okay, that one was a success on the outer one. It's holding it down, I can feel it. Okay. We did it. We did it, Joe. I think I didn't add enough of the magnetic liner on the inner corner, and so I went in and added a little bit more so it stuck a little easier, and then I added the anchors. Kind of had to play around with it a little bit. It wasn't too bad, and at least it's not messy. That's all I gotta say. There's no mess, there's no glue, so okay, that's a much better line. I feel like it's thick enough for the lash band to adhere to, so I'm sure this one will be a little bit better. I'm gonna do no mascara on this side and see if that does anything. This one stuck a lot easier, a lot better. Man, these anchors make them feel so much more secure. You can literally see all my lashes hanging down. That's why you have to wear mascara. I mean, you don't have to do anything, but that's why it's such a good idea because this one just blends way better than this one. Okay, I am not gonna lie, this was harder than I expected it to be, but it was my very first time ever trying this, so I'm sure the next time I try the next lashes on, it's gonna be easier. I do think the result is just as good as strip lashes, so if you are allergic to lash glue or you just cannot get the hang of it, this is definitely worth a try. I also think this style Boss Babe is really pretty, very voluminous, but I just think it's a little too small for my ginormous eyes. So easy to take off, for sure. When I use my regular false lashes, I always put my lashes back in the case so they don't get smushed and I can reuse them because they're expensive. I really appreciate that the Glamnetic eyelash boxes have like a little magnet strip in them just so that you can really keep the shape of the lash. Bella's really pretty, definitely more wispy on the ends and less full. And they look maybe a little bigger, so they might fit my eye shape a little more. If these are too big for your eyes, you can absolutely cut them. It says it on the back of the box that you are allowed to do that. So I'm gonna try to apply these without reapplying eyeliner, so we'll see what happens. Because I'm just curious if like throughout the day, it pops off, what happens? Nope, okay, doesn't work. I'm gonna reapply the liner. Okay, that one was much easier. Oh, it popped off a little bit. See what I mean? Second time's a charm. Okay. That one was so much easier. Oh my God, I think it's because I applied the liner a little thicker. Makes sense, right? Has more to adhere to. Okay, look at those without even the inkers or anything. These are really pretty and they were so easy to apply. Oh, I was getting nervous. Good as new. Oh my God, you guys, that is so cool. I should have started with this pair. I don't know. This is way easier. Maybe like the super full ones just don't have as much like stretchiness to them. I actually love that you can't drop the anchors because they just like stick to the lash grab. God, I just think it's like the coolest thing. You guys, I love it. I love how like super flared out this pair is. I'm obsessed. The VIP are just like a little bit less full, a little more like crisscrossed. So we shall see. I feel like this liner smells like baby powder. I'm not mad at it. This one was so much easier as well. Oh my gosh, I totally should have started with these two. That was so easy, you guys. So easy. Oh my God. This is mind-blowing. Seriously. Like, I don't know how much easier this could get, honestly. A+. Wow, I'm actually so impressed. I'm feeling pretty secure with these because look at this. I'm impressed. If you are someone that struggles with messy eyelash glue, these magnetic lashes are way less stressful, way less messy. Seriously, this eyeliner didn't go anywhere. I'm pretty sure I have like a little bit of like mascara on my finger, but I don't even think that's a liner. This was super impressive, super easy. I think the first pair was a user error. I didn't make the eyeliner thick enough, so there wasn't enough for the lash to adhere to. Eyelash glue can definitely be really sticky and rip out your real lashes. These ones do not rip out any lashes. Every single time I took off each pair, no lashes came out, which is amazing. If you have reactions to lash glue, just like skip it all together and use the magnetic lashes. Ultimately, they're easier and they look great. I definitely feel very secure in these. Like I don't think they're gonna pop off like at all today, and I think I will wear them to work. So at the expense of sounding spoiled, I will admit I absolutely despise going to the nail salon. I love having my nails done, but I hate spending hours at the nail salon. I hate it. You guys, when I saw these Glamnetic press-on nails at Ulta for the first time, I literally thought to myself, I have never in my life seen such cute press-on nails ever. They're so adorable. I love all the designs and I especially appreciate all the different shapes and lengths. I personally really love long coffin shaped shaped nails, and I was able to snag 2 different styles. I chose Rouge and Light Beam. They both have that long coffin shape, a glossy finish, and a semi-transparent nail bed. The obvious benefit of having press-on nails is that it's way cheaper than going to the salon. Currently, I spend about $55 plus tip on a set like this, and I spend an hour and a half in the salon. These are just a fraction of the price and definitely a time saver. They last way longer and are way cuter than regular nail polish. If you're gonna get press-on nails, the Glamnetic ones are seriously the cutest ones I've ever seen, so check them out for sure. The Light Beam ones got me really excited because I really have always wanted this design, but I was kind of too shy to ask at the nail salon. I don't know if anybody else feels the same way, but and then the Rouge ones are just super cute. I cannot wait to wear these ones as well. Ugh, I love them. In each kit, you get 30 nails so that you can find the right fit for your nail beds. You get nail glue, a nail file, a cuticle stick, and an alcohol pad. To apply the nails, move your cuticles out of the way by pressing them down with the cuticle stick to ensure a tight fit all the way around the nail bed. Use the alcohol wipe to remove any excess oils or debris. Use the nail file to sand down your nail bed to create texture. I like to add this next step when I do my own polygel nails because I think that the fake nails attach better to nails that aren't super smooth and have less of a chance of sliding off, but I don't know, maybe that's just my theory. Next, file down your natural nails. Apply glue on your real nail and the inside of the fake nail. Since I've never done this before, I'm just assuming that too much glue is not a good thing, just like regular strip lashes. If you use too much glue, it's just going to be too much. So apply a thin layer of this glue to both your real nail beds and the inside of the fake nail. Press and hold for 10 seconds and voila, we have really beautiful nails again. I love everything about everything I just tried on. You guys, I am so impressed by both the nails and the lashes. The first pair, that was a little user error, but this was so easy to do. These were so easy to do, so quick. I feel like I'm never gonna go to the salon again. I also really love these. They're staying on really well. I took a break because my camera died and they're still hanging on, so I love them. I think I am going to continue wearing these. If you have been considering magnetic lashes or press-on nails, I would definitely recommend checking out the Glamnetic website. They have so many different styles, shapes, sizes, colors of liners, colors of nails. I also have a discount code for 15% off the entire website. It is Audrey15. I will have all the different styles I use listed down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you guys next time.